Tianjin Race Again SM Co., Ltd., located in Tianjin BOD Economic Development Zone. We operate a 15,000 square meters production center and a 2,000 square meters RD center. We serve industries such as apparel, home textiles, furniture, automotive, medical, and industrial engineering. We provide tailored solutions combining custom non-standard products with mass-produced standard products, including mechatronic machines, automated production lines, and intelligent factory solutions. Intelligent manufacturing solutions for automotive interiors, including flatbed scanning digitizer, one button to start after placing scanning pieces, can vacuum absorption auto scanning auto transmission, according to different models, support ultra-long width scanning speed up to 7,200 mm/minute, scanning resolution 150 to 300 dpi, high-definition panoramic 1:1 image to ensure effective identification of various contours, notches, inner holes. Magic inkjet plotter, 2 cartridge with maximum printing speed at 110 square meters per hour, 4 cartridge with maximum printing speed at 200 square meters per hour. Vertical inkjet cutting plotter, 1 machine multiple functions, pattern drawing with cutting or standalone drawing. High-quality rotary cutting knife can cut min 80 grams per square meter paper for sample design, cost saving. Flatbed inkjet cutting plotter, both bitmap printing and cutting function, suitable for personalization, configured long knife or short knife, and optional fixed knife sleeve or elastic knife sleeve, suitable for cutting various materials. Fabric spreading, cutting equipment, automatic spreading machine, easily set the spreading method, length, speed, quantity and sections, with intuitive as well as simple operation. Dual use for both knit and woven fabrics, suitable for t-shirts, children's clothing, loungewear, and toy textiles. Automatic spreading machine, suitable for automatic fabric spreading of seats, bags, outdoor furniture and medical supplies. For working with heavy fabric roll. Smart cutting device, the intelligent adjustable cutting device allows for adjustable speed and distance, ensuring neat and stable cuts. Cutting unit and main unit can be quickly and easily detached or attached. Fabric pre-relaxation device releases fabric tension in advance before spreading, eliminating spreading tension and maintaining consistency in spreading quality. Automatic edge alignment device ensures accurate automatic edge alignment during the spreading process, enhancing the quality of the spread fabric. Emergency stop device, steel cables are installed on both sides of the cutting table, allowing for an emergency stop by pulling the cable from any position on the table, ensuring operational safety. Easy to be operated by one person, effective spreading and smoothing. With servo system, auto tension adjustment for fabric. Edge alignment accuracy within 0.5 mm. Automatic spreading machine 2 to 6 rolls, suitable for automatic fabric spreading of seats, bags, outdoor furniture and medical supplies. Fabric pre-relaxation device releases fabric tension in advance before spreading, eliminating spreading tension and maintaining consistency in spreading quality. Smart cutting device, the intelligent adjustable cutting device allows for adjustable speed and distance, ensuring neat and stable cuts. Cutting unit and main unit can be quickly and easily detached or attached. Automatic edge alignment device ensures accurate automatic edge alignment during the spreading process, enhancing the quality of the spread fabric. Independent fabric rack, RB6, rolls of fabric can be operated at the same time. Flexi spread device, flexible fabric clamping structure, simulating manual fabric clamping. Auto sensing fabric spreading tension, eliminating fabric curling problem due to excessive tension during spreading. Automatic stop when material runs out, automatically stops operation when the fabric is finished spreading and returns to its starting point. Laser engraving and cutting machine. The cutting center can directly and seamlessly interface with software, such as AutoCAD, CorelDRAW, AI, and Garment CAD, ensuring easy operation. High cutting precision and fast cutting speed. Suitable for clothing, home textiles, furniture, luggage, toys, car interiors, shoemaking, and other industries cutting and carving of non-metallic materials in the industry. Automatic single-layer cutting machine. No need to create specialized cutting molds. Cutting can be performed precisely by directly importing CAD design drawings into the equipment. Optimizes cutting paths, integrates repeated cutting lines, allows for pre-simulation of the cutting process and supports continuous cutting for extra long materials. Automatic multi-layer cutting machine. Through the combination of micron-level intelligent sensing components and an intelligent control system, dynamic compensation and correction of cutter deformation during cutting operations are achieved, significantly reduces errors between the top and bottom layers of fabric during cutting, enabling truly high-precision intelligent cutting. Vision inspection equipment. Cut piece visual inspection instruments. After manual placement, one-click start allows for automatic scanning, automatic inspection of cut pieces, and automatic data storage. Scanning speed can reach up to 120 mm per second, with no need for additional lighting, ensuring reliable use in all weather conditions. Scanning resolution is 150 to 300 dpi, and the high-definition panoramic 1:1 image ensures that the inner-outer contours of the cut pieces are clearly visible. Computerized wiring, taping, cutting equipment. Automatic feeding laser cutting machine. Large format vision recognition加 auto receiving table. Advanced vision system with high-resolution industrial camera captures real-time images of material patterns. Choose the most suitable positioning mode for different pattern types to optimize cutting accuracy and efficiency. Supports edge alignment and tension control to ensure smooth, wrinkle-free material feeding. Highly automated, ideal for continuous production. Designed for precise, high-efficiency cutting of flexible materials such as digitally printed fabrics, lace with pattern alignment and shaping cutting, and heating elements with positioning requirement. Computerized wiring machine Model G. Gantry frame design ensures easy material loading, unloading, and maintains material flatness during wiring. Large spool device reduces heating wire replacement frequency during production. Automatic wire feeding device for resistance wire or other wires, with adjustable feed amount and feed fault alarms. Automatic product changeover. Raw fabric feeds in from one end. After wiring, automatic take-up device pulls material length adjustable, reducing manual pulling time and labor. Pneumatic frame. Program-controlled pneumatic components for automatic opening, closing, and tensioning. Firm clamping with adjustable stretching lengths within a specified range. Suitable for wiring heating wires in automotive seats, steering wheels, and complete interior heating products. Also applicable for automotive hands-off detection hot product wiring. Punching, embroidery, sewing equipment. Automatic high-speed leather perforating machine per punching processing of leather or microfiber leather with various types and different thickness, such as car seats, aviation seats, shoes, bags and furniture, etc. Full-scale, three-dimensional protective design ensures safer operation. The punch toolbox is heightened to prolong the punch tool's spring's service life and reduce part wear. The surface of key punching parts is strengthened to resist impact and fatigue, meeting the needs of high-intensity work. Single-head machines can make up to 2000 小时 O's per minute, and double-head ones up to 4000. Automatic high-speed leather perforating machine 12 tool. Each toolbox can accommodate up to 12 different punch tools, allowing flexible configuration for various tool types and significantly reducing tool change time. Comes with a 15-inch touchscreen control panel designed for simple, intuitive operation and rapid command response. Maximum speed. Single layer 4000小时 O's, mean. 3 layers 9000小时 O's, mean, greatly increasing productivity. Holes punch processing for various types of genuine leather. Precision single head cap, tubular embroidery machine. Pattern rotation and proportional scaling. Patterns can be scaled up or down in 1% increments, ranging from 50% to 200%, and rotated in 1度 increments, with a rotation range from 0 degrees to 89 degrees. Precision two-heads cap, tubular embroidery machine. Equipped with automatic color changing, automatic thread trimming by motor, servo motor thread hooking, and automatic thread broken detection. Computerized embroidery machine. High-speed embroidery heads with extremely low failure rates, long service life, low noise, and stable, reliable quality. Equipped with an upper thread clamping device to prevent thread detachment and breakage, ensuring excellent embroidery results. Suitable for textile and garment manufacturing, footwear, hats, bags, home decoration, automotive interiors, and industrial products area. 6-head flat embroidery machine. Used for high-end customization of clothing, bags, shoes, hats, toys, and other products. Sewing equipment includes automatic arbitrary rotary single needle leather sewing machine, suitable for automated leather pattern sewing in the fields of automotive interiors, car seat covers, car door panels, airplane seats, and leather furniture upholstery. Brand new integrated sewing head design, simple and elegant overall appearance. 15-inch HD industrial touch control screen. Two sides workbenches designed with a flappable mechanism, reducing size after folding for easier transportation. Sewing head can rotate at any angle, avoiding differences between forward and reverse stitches, improving sewing efficiency and stitch quality. Pneumatic lifting head structure with a stroke of 50 mm, making frame changes and span sewing more convenient. The advantage of an independently driven presser foot system lies in its ability to control presser foot height through real-time pattern programming, effectively addressing uneven presser foot pressure issues when sewing materials of varying thicknesses. Newly upgraded triple lead screw drive for higher dynamic positioning accuracy. Max speed holds midnight head, 2,500 stitches, min. Fully automatic 360 degrees double needle heavy duty template sewing machine. Automotive seats, automotive airbags, automotive interiors, home furnishings, and other double thread heavy duty sewing. Features include automatic thread trimming, emergency stop, thread, breakage detection, bobbin thread counting, data input saving, and automatic adjustment of sewing direction. Fully servo motor control ensures high equipment stability and guarantees high-quality sewing results. Fully automatic perforation and sewing integrated machine. Punching machine head is specifically designed and developed for leather materials, equipped with various round punching tools specifications. Sewing head up moving stroke in 50 mm, providing sufficient space for material loading and easy operation. Suitable for perforation and sewing processes of various types and thicknesses of genuine leather and microfiber leather used in car seats, automotive interiors, aircraft seats, luggage, furniture, and more. Fully automatic embroidery and sewing integrated machine. 9-color embroidery machine head to meet the embroidery needs of different industries. The embroidery thread clamping mechanism incorporates a novel upper thread clamping assembly, effectively reducing thread breakage and slippage occurrences during operation. Specially designed sewing machine head for leather materials, producing beautiful stitching. Presser foot height is motor controlled and highly adjustable. Sewing machine head has up-down moving stroke of 50 mm, providing ample space for material loading and ease of operation. Suitable for various types and thicknesses of genuine leather and microfiber leather for automotive seats, car interiors, aviation seats, luggage, furniture, etc., combining embroidery and sewing processes. Fully automatic perforation round hole and embroidery and sewing rotating head machine. Integrates punching, embroidery, and sewing into one machine, allowing for arbitrary pattern, design and seamless combinations of punching, embroidery, and sewing for complex processes. The 9-color embroidery head meet the embroidery needs of various industries. Sewing machine head features an arbitrary rotation structure, creating beautiful stitching, reducing frame movement frequency, and improving efficiency. Suitable for punching and embroidering and sewing processes for various types and thicknesses of genuine leather and microfiber leather used in automotive seats, car interiors, aviation seats, luggage and furniture, etc. Fully automatic round perforation and 9-color embroidery and fixed head sewing machine Super M. Integrates punching, embroidery, and sewing into one machine, allowing for arbitrary pattern, design and seamless combinations of punching, embroidery, and sewing for complex processes. The 9-color embroidery head meet the embroidery needs of various industries. Sewing machine head features an arbitrary rotation structure, creating beautiful stitching, reducing frame movement frequency, and improving efficiency. Suitable for punching and embroidering and sewing processes for various types and thicknesses of genuine leather and microfiber leather used in automotive seats, car interiors, aviation seats, luggage and furniture, etc. Fully automatic perforation special hole and embroidery and sewing rotating head machine. Integrates punching, embroidery, and sewing into one machine, allowing for arbitrary pattern, design and seamless combinations of punching, embroidery, and sewing for complex processes. Specially developed punching machine head for leather materials. The 9-color embroidery head meet the embroidery needs of various industries. Sewing machine head features an arbitrary rotation structure, creating beautiful stitching, reducing frame movement frequency, and improving efficiency. suitable for punching and embroidering and sewing processes for various types and thicknesses of genuine leather, and microfiber leather used in automotive seats, car interiors, aviation seats, luggage and furniture, etc. Carbon fiber placement stitching machine. Suitable for the layup and stitching of carbon fiber materials in industries such as automotive, aerospace, and bicycle manufacturing, enables precise features and independent feeding paths for carbon fiber, significantly reducing fiber abrasion and ensuring material integrity. Enables highly accurate stitching of carbon fiber fabrics. Stitch width can be set according to different material specifications. The presser foot height can be set and automatically adjusted during the carbon fiber placement and stitching process to accommodate different material thicknesses. Industrial sewing machine heavy materia. Direct drive single needle automatic thread trimming compound feed sewing machine. Enhanced direct drive single needle automatic thread trimming compound feed sewing machine. Direct drive cylinder bed single needle compound feed sewing machine. Direct drive post bed single needle compound feed sewing machine. Intensive direct drive double needle compound feed sewing machine. Enhanced direct drive post bed double needle compound feed sewing machine. Getting again MCADV10. Getting again Super MCADV10. Getting again wire so CADV10. In addition, Tianjin Getting Again has developed the EDOS Enterprise Digital Operations Management System. This system helps customers improve production efficiency and management levels. The features of DOS can be summarized as the 4 ones: 1 industrial enterprise, 1 technology platform, 1 data standard, and 1 operating system. It is the optimal choice for enterprises to achieve digital transformation and intelligent upgrading. Furthermore, by integrating Internet and IoT technologies, the company has developed an enterprise operating condition IoT management system, which enables the interconnection of all equipment, products, energy consumption, environment, and security within the enterprise. This system interacts seamlessly with the enterprise digital operation and management system, building a multifunctional integrated platform for enterprises. It enables functions such as data collection, real-time monitoring, data analysis, and remote management.